Actually looks quite good. Windy at times, but fine. That's as far as I can go, I'm afraid, because for the rest of us it's not going to be quite the same. Quiet start to the week and a quiet end to the week, but once again in the middle we've got a big Atlantic depression coming through. That means wind and rain. At the moment it's still developing out here and we're in a pretty benign spell of weather. Still it's pretty poor for the far north of England and southern Scotland. But as the low develops, it'll be affecting us for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, eventually shooting off eastwards to the continent and leaving us briefly with a cold blast of air once again before, in 6 days' time, we're sitting more or less where we are now. It's something like a 6 or 7 day cycle we're in. Okay for silage making, not much use for hay making, not enough dry weather. Now, we're back to the here and now. We've had this curl of cloud affecting the Gulf in Scotland and also, of course, any activity at all for the southern uplands and the far north of England, where it's only been about 10 or 11 degrees and raining for a day and a half for some. Well, that should shift eastwards this afternoon. We'll see showers develop from it, maybe some sharp ones in the northeast of England, but effectively it's a nice day for most. Only a small chance of seeing a shower. Silverstone an example here, 10% we said for it. And a warm day in the sunshine. It's still July. May not feel like it, but it is. So 20 degrees is possible, but in the cloudiest skies 14 or 15, and a surprisingly cold night for July. The only one for a while, mind you. On Monday it's a quiet day, a scattering of showers and late rain coming into Ireland, I think. Otherwise, a reasonable day, a drying day, not too breezy. But then we start to pick up on Tuesday, this low with the rain already sweeping in up through England and Wales, and the sitting position, where it sits for a day or so, is the problem one, we think, from Tuesday and Wednesday onwards. So the rain, possibly briefly heavy, will sweep up through Wales and England during Tuesday with showers ahead of it. Scotland looking quite fine, the wind increasing, the wind still strong, and that's the likely position, not the certain position, the likely position of that rain throughout the middle of this coming week. To the south, big thundery downpours could equally give local flooding problems, but the warmth will be there between the showers. So here are the winds then. They are southeast or easterly, persistent, and therefore quite cold. It will feel cold in that rain band. Then as they swing back to the northeast, that's our brief goodbye blast. So by the time we get to Thursday, it could be quiet once again. The rain will disappear, and Friday might be a very nice day with a warming trend. But that's not the whole tale.